Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple templates into a single signature request using the BoldSign API. If you're new to BoldSign, check out our Getting Started videos linked in the description below. Imagine you're handling HR onboarding. You need a new employee to sign both an offer letter and a compliance form. Normally, you'd send two separate requests. But with BoldSign API, you can merge those templates into one signature request. The employee then receives a single document package, making the signing process faster, simpler, and more consistent. All right, let's jump in and I'll show you how to do that. BoldSign supports multiple programming languages, but for this tutorial, I'll be working with Node.js sample codes. Make sure you have installed the BoldSign Node.js SDK by running the command npm install BoldSign in your terminal. Since I've already installed it, I'll confirm by running npm list BoldSign. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. Now that the SDK is set up, it's time to create the actual signature request. I navigate to the BoldSign developer documentation, copy the Node.js code snippet on merge and send, and paste it into my project file. Next, I set up the template API object by adding my API key. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app. Just navigate to the API section, select API keys, and generate a new key. The next step is to define the signer's role. I set the role index to 1, which marks the first signer role. When merging templates, role index values must increase sequentially across all templates. Then I add the signer's name, email, and role label. For this HR use case, the signer is the employee. I then configure the merge and send for sign form object by assigning the signer role. Since both templates, the offer letter and the compliance form, are assigned to the same signer and share the same role, only one role needs to be defined. Now, I specify which templates to merge by adding their template IDs. To get the template IDs, I open the BoldSign web app, go to the Templates section, and click on My Templates. From the list, I select the offer letter template I want to use, then copy its template ID. Next, I switch back to my project and paste the ID into the template IDs array. I repeat the same process for the second template. I set the document title and a message to provide instructions to the signer, and enable signing order if you want the signer to follow a specific sequence. Although in this case, with only one signer, it's not necessary. Once everything is configured, I call the template API, merge and send, and pass in our request object. I log the document ID in the console. I run the script, and the merge document is sent out for signature. The document ID is returned as confirmation. To verify that the document was created successfully, I open the BoldSign web app, go to the Documents section, and select My Documents. There it is, the document I sent for signing. When I open it, I can see the document ID, status, and signer details. Let me switch to the signer side and walk through the signing process. The signer receives an email with a link to review and sign the document. They simply click Review and Sign and accept the terms and conditions. BoldSign then opens a unified document that combines both the offer, letter, and the compliance form. The signer can easily navigate through the fields, complete the required information, and finish the signing process in one seamless flow. This saves time, reduces complexity, and creates a smooth signing experience. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.